Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a secret about how I keep my makeup looking fresh throughout the day, no matter what I'm doing, whether it's a long day, sweaty day, a dancing day, whatever kind of day I'm gonna have. I know that when I use my favorite products, my makeup is gonna stay on throughout the night. You must have heard me talking about this so many times already now, but I love the NYX makeup setting sprays. Oh my god, both of these, the matte one and the dewy one, I need to have in my makeup collection at all times. These are one of the best makeup setting sprays out there. They are so affordable, they are so accessible, we love them. I just love NYX Professional Makeup as a brand so much. I love so many of their products. Their lip products are out of this world. Their eyeshadows are amazing. Their base products are fabulous. And this makeup setting spray has been one of my favorite finds from the brand because I've been using this for years and it's never disappointed me. I feel like I always keep going back to these. Also, I would like to proudly tell you that they're cruelty-free and they're vegan. There is one for everybody. If you have extremely oily skin, you can definitely go ahead and use the matte one, which I do a lot during the summertime in the humid season. I absolutely love the matte setting spray. We also have a dewy one for dry skin, but also if you have normal skin and you just want your skin to look
glossy and dewy and juicy and beautiful.
Once you spray this on, your skin just looks like it has life. It takes away all the powderiness and the cakiness of your makeup, especially these days when everybody wants to just bake their face and cake it with powder. If you want to take all of that away and make your skin look like skin, spray it with the NYX Dewy Spray. I'm telling you, once this is on your face, the powder is going to disappear, your makeup's going to be locked in place and looking flawless. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I like to apply them to my face, and I personally like to just use a combination of both of them because I have combination skin. Now that's not to say that you need both of them. Of course you can pick up whichever one suits your particular skin type, but I'm a little high maintenance that way and I just want my makeup to be looking perfect and everything to be like tip-top. So I like to go all out with my makeup, and I have combination skin, so I tend to get oiliness in my T-zone and I get kind of dry or normal in my cheek area, but I do want my cheek area to look nice and glossy. So that's where I like to spray my dewy spray. You want to keep it about 15 centimeters away from your face because you don't want it to like scare you. So you want it to be a little further away from your face and you just want it to mist it on your face. The sprayer on this spray is very nice. It's not gonna shock you, unless you hold it like this, which I'm sure you're not gonna do. So this is not gonna shock you. It's a very nice, like a dispersed mist, which is what I look for in a makeup setting spray. So I'm gonna show you. You see that it's a very nice mist. So if you hold it like 15 centimeters away from your face, it's just gonna mist your face with this beautiful veil of setting spray. I'm gonna apply the matte one in my T-zone first. I'm gonna take the dewy one now and apply it on my cheeks. Now you can definitely fan your face like I did after your makeup setting spray. I personally just think a combination of air and makeup setting spray kind of just makes your makeup life-proof. So you can see this is how my skin looks like after I'm done setting it. It looks really dewy just in the right places. My nose does not look shiny. My forehead does not look shiny. Everything just looks really beautiful. Once you spray this makeup setting spray on your face, your makeup almost becomes smudge proof. You can see where I have applied the makeup setting spray. The makeup is actually not smudging, so it kind of makes everything super long stay, and this is the way to make your makeup last for as long as you want to wear it. And also don't forget, you can use this makeup setting spray for a lot of other purposes as well. I like to sometimes spray this on my brush and just pick up my highlighter and apply it like that. It just makes the highlighter look super beaming. You can be seen from space when you do that because this is literally just gonna make your highlight pop. You can also spray this on a brush before you pick up any glittery eyeshadows. It's really gonna increase the payoff. And I also love to use this to re-wet my makeup sponges while I'm doing my makeup. So after I applied my foundation, sometimes I'll re-wet my makeup sponge before I go in with my concealer. And when you do that, when you apply a makeup setting spray in your middle processes like that, your makeup longevity just goes up so high. Your makeup is gonna last for so long. It should basically last for as long as you wanna wear it. So if you wanna wear your makeup for 8 hours or for 16 hours, your makeup should look good for as long as you want to wear it, and this will totally help you achieve that. I am gonna keep this makeup on for a few hours and I'm gonna show you what this makeup setting spray can do. Right now it's about 10 o'clock at night because that's when I film my videos. I have to film like 3 or 4 more videos after I'm done with this. This is my first video of the night, so I have to film a few more videos and I'm gonna be wearing this makeup for a few hours. So I'm gonna check back in later and you can see how fabulous my makeup still looks. Oh hey you guys, I am kinda tired. It is 3:18 a.m. right now and I've been wearing this makeup for like 4-5 hours at this point. I think I told you it was like 9:30 or 10. So it's been 5 hours that I've been wearing this makeup and it still looks so flawless. Yeah, but you can see the makeup still looks really fresh. You know what? Let me zoom you in and give you a clearer shot. Okay, so here you can see way too up close. This is what my skin looks like after 5 hours of wearing this makeup. I feel like this is kind of the only makeup setting spray that keeps my nose from getting too shiny, because my nose is a stubborn little bee, okay? It gets very oily very fast. So right now the weather is not as hot, but this makeup setting spray has been doing so well. Like, look at how awesome everything still looks. Of course, my lips look very fresh right now because I did freshly apply my lipstick because I'm doing, you know, constant shoots. I have to change my look, so of course the lipstick needed to go. But yeah, that is how we're looking after like 5 hours of wear. I did film 2 YouTube videos. I filmed 1 reel. I also took a break and ate dinner, so I've done a lot tonight. YouTubing is a full-time job, okay? You don't get to see a lot of the BTS, but there's a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication involved. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give you another check-in right before I hit the bed and before I, you know, wash this makeup off. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my shoot and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, you guys, it has been 2 hours since you last saw me. Currently, it is 5:14 in the morning. The birds have started chirping and telling me to go to bed. But I just finished filming. I had a super productive night. And this is how the makeup is looking. Of course, I changed out the lip again because I'm filming videos constantly back to back, so I need to keep changing up my look. That's why I look a little different right now, but the makeup is the same and the skin looks absolutely flawless still. I don't know how it's able to hold up this well after I've been sitting in front of, like, there's 5 huge lights in front of me right now and they're so hot. But my makeup still looks awesome and it still looks like this after like continuous hours of filming. So here is a little close-up of my skin. You can see the cheeks still look very dewy. There's no patchiness, there's no dryness, there's no separation, there's no cakiness. Everything still looks like it's a part of the skin. My nose has now started to get just a little bit oily. Trust me, my nose is a mess, okay? It gets really oily really fast. Like, I've seen my nose getting oily within like 1 hour of wearing makeup and awesome products, but my nose just doesn't hold up. This is one of those only products that keeps the oils away from my nose. This is how fresh the skin looks. It definitely doesn't look like I've been wearing this makeup for like 8 hours now. Okay, you guys, those were my little check-ins and my little review for the NYX makeup setting sprays. I highly recommend you check it out. All of the links are going to be in the description box below for you guys. Have you tried them before? If you have, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Don't forget to check out my Instagram for more fashion. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.